Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In this short video I will be showing you how I wash my makeup brushes. I try to clean my makeup brushes at least twice a week, depending on how often I'm doing my makeup that week. But I am using this cosmetic brush cleaning mat that I got from City Trends, and it was only $3. This mat has like a suction, it's like a suction mat, so you can place it right inside of your sink and it suctions onto the sink. And when I do clean my makeup brushes, I normally use like some type of soap, whether it's like body wash or bar soap, like when it's at like the width's end or like a corner left of it. I just use that to clean my makeup brushes. As you can see, I use the Suave body wash. It was just a little bit left in there, and I just squeeze some onto the mat. I wet my brush, and then I start to like swirl it into the grooves of the mat so it can help get all that built up makeup off the brush. And then I squeeze, like push some of it out, let it run under water, and then do the same process again. Just keep swirling and swirling until you want to keep doing this. Like eventually you're going to rinse this mat off and apply more soap, but you want to keep doing this until the suds are white. You don't, if you see brown suds like you see now, it means the brush isn't completely clean. So you want to keep doing that and keep repeating the process until the brush is completely clean. It's very important to keep your makeup brushes clean because of the buildup makeup that's on there and letting the brushes sit. Bacteria could be on your brushes, as well as dead skin cells could be on your brushes. So it's very important to keep your brushes clean, especially if you have clients and you're a makeup artist and you use brushes on your other clients. Make sure to clean your brushes very often. It's very important that you keep your brushes clean. As you can see, I'm repeating the same process with each and every one of my brushes. I rinse it off. I rinse the mat off, add a little bit more soap, and then I'm using the swirling method. If you can see up close, my makeup brush actually fell apart, and I do have a few like that. I just use the hot glue gun and repair them if I can't get to the store to get some more, because some of them are actually like some of my favorite brushes. So when one fall apart, look, don't judge me. I just get some hot glue and glue that bad boy back together. So my cosmetic brush cleaning mat has a few instructions on the back for those who have never used one of these cleaning mats before. The instruction says to suction mat to the inside of the sink, rinse bristles and add brush shampoo. Like I said, I use bar soap or whichever body soap I have if it's getting to like the end. And there's also brush cleaner sprays. You can use that as well. Those work really good. Gently massage the brush through the cleanser area until the makeup is removed and water runs clear. So you want to keep cleaning the brushes until the water is clear, or until the suds are clear and the suds are no longer brown or whatever color makeup you had on that brush at the time. If needed, press the circle brush over scrub area to cleanse any remaining cosmetic color. Sweep and brush thoroughly, rinse it thoroughly, and making sure there's no soap residue. And you just keep repeating these steps until your brushes are clean. It's very easy. Sometimes it could be a long process depending on how many makeup brushes you have, but if you do it frequently, you won't have to worry about, how much time it's taking for you to clean your brushes. Just, keep them clean. It's very important. Here I have something that's like a beauty blender. Well, it's not exactly a beauty blender, but it's something similar. This is what I use to apply like my concealer. I don't use it for my foundation, but when I'm highlighting, this is what I use this for. Something like a beauty blender. You know, one of the little spongy things. I got this from one of my local drugstores. It's either CVS or Walgreens. I can't remember, but I absolutely love this. So, as you can see, it has some product buildup in there as well. So I had to rinse it thoroughly. And when you rinse your beauty blenders or your sponges, it will begin to swell because of the water that's inside of it. But once it dries, it will go back to its natural size. So I had to keep rinsing this and rinsing this and rinsing this because it had a lot of buildup in it, but I got it clean. So what I did here was I just utilized one side of the mat. So one side of the mat I use when I first start cleaning the brush, and then I wanted to show you all as the brush become clean, and on the other side of the mat you'll see that the suds are white and you no longer see any of the makeup buildup that was in the brush. So that is what I'm going to show you here, that once you start swirling the brush on the other side, the suds are white. And that's when you know that your brush is clean. And you just want to rinse it so that there's no soap left in the brush. Voila! After you are finished washing your brushes, you just want to pour your mat up from out the sink and just rinse it, thoroughly rinse it off, and then let it air dry so that you can use it again for the next time you clean your brushes. After I have cleaned all or most of my brushes that I'm going to clean at the moment, I do put them on a towel and allow them to air dry. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you with the process of cleaning your makeup brushes, or it gave you a new way of cleaning your makeup brushes. Please comment, like, and subscribe to this channel. Again, it's your girl Leela B. Have a good one.